Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. At around $65 a gram for the best quality crop, saffron is more expensive than even the most precious metal. Its harvesting process starts in autumn, and after collecting 150,000 flowers with a quite demanding process, we get just 1 kilogram of saffron. This, combined with the special conditions in which it grows, gives saffron the top spot on the list of the world's most expensive spices. The undisputed capital of saffron is Iran, with a 300-year tradition, which produces over 90% of the 250 tons of annual production worldwide, and the spice is used in local cuisine, cosmetics, and traditional medicines. Of course, this treasure is available to a lesser extent in other countries such as Greece, India, Morocco, and Afghanistan, besides Iran. In Iran, the commercial and production situation has become particularly difficult in recent years due to the sanctions imposed on the country's nuclear program, preventing producers from accessing the markets of Europe, the USA, and Canada. Despite the problems, however, exports in recent years have increased significantly. Saffron is characterized by experts as an elixir of longevity thanks to its healing properties. Saffron contains vitamin A, B and C, as well as lycopene, which is known for its anti-cancer properties. It has a strong antioxidant effect, while the carotenoids it contains fight free radicals, contributing to anti-cancer and anti-aging effects.